Hey y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here on my Old School Soul Food channel here. Today I'm making something, like I tell you every video, simple and easy. That's what it's all about in the kitchen. You want to do simple and easy. When it's hard, that throws people away from cooking. But I'm making something very, very simple. It's 3 or 4 ingredients, but it's very important when you're doing roasting chicken, roasting turkey, and things like that. It's an old school herb butter. Very simple, but it'll make your turkey, roast chicken, even roast duck so flavorful and moist and juicy. Because in the cooking process as you're using it, as I'll show you in further videos when I do chicken and turkey roasted, how important it is. But it's very simple ingredient. I just got butter, 3 herbs. I got thyme, rosemary, and parsley. Also, fresh herbs is very important when you're making things because it's more flavor than dry herbs. I'm not a big fan of dry herbs. I like the fresh ones. Costs a little bit more, but it makes your food taste so much better. So let's get started here. The recipe, like always, in the description of the video. And we're going to put some rosemary in here. Fresh chopped rosemary. I got some fresh thyme here. Fresh chopped parsley. I use the flat leaf parsley, not the curly. And just a little salt, not much. If you got salted butter, that's why I say don't use much salt. And then we'll mix it up here with the mixer. Let's say this is so simple. Make sure your butter, of course, is at room temperature. Or you can put it in the microwave a few minutes, a few seconds. And that's it. Just out of here. Clean this off. And that's it. And you can do this, of course, weeks. You can have it in your refrigerator. I always have herb butter on hand. Because I'm always roasting chicken off. And this, I always put it on top of my roast chicken. Herb roasted chicken. It's very important. Just look at that. See how simple that is? Simple but very, very important ingredient right there. Herb butter. See? And then when you do use it, you want it at this consistency. If you ever have it in your refrigerator, let it sit out at room temperature so you can handle it better. You want it at this consistency. So that's easy, very simple, very important item when you're roasting chicken or turkey and things like that. So try this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.